What's considered community property? Everything is considered community property. Hi, Ray Panneton here, managing partner of the Ted Smith Law Group. And a question I often get in the context of divorce is, what's considered community property and isn't? And we see this a lot in vehicles, right? Because when people buy a vehicle, it's titled in one spouse's name or the other. Sometimes it's both. But, a client will say, well, he has one car, I have the other. The question isn't who has it or whose name is it titled in. The question for any asset in a divorce is, when was the asset acquired? And if an asset was acquired during the marriage, it's presumed to be community property. So when we think about dividing up assets in a divorce, it's important to advise your attorney of every asset that was acquired during the divorce, no matter how big or how small, because it's all community assets which need to be distributed as a part of the divorce. So if you're going through a divorce, it's important to inventory everything that you had going into the marriage, which could possibly be confirmed as separate property, as well as everything acquired during the marriage, which would then be divided up as part of the community estate. So if you're currently contemplating a divorce, give us a call, 254-690-5688, and we can help you with this process. From start to finish, our lawyers and our staff will guide you through this difficult process. Once again, that's 254-690-5688, and we are offering free consultations via phone, Zoom, or in person. So at your convenience, get that scheduled and meet with one of our lawyers today. Again, 254-690-5688 or online at tedsmithlawgroup.com.